left behind our families and friends to follow the light. We dream and struggle for a brighter tomorrow, equipped with the guidance that we follow. Now we can stand alone. No, we can face the world in our own. In every struggles that we fought, our armor is the teachings that you taught. We are here now, back to where we belong. We are here now to join the celebration. We are here now to thank all our teachers, and we are proud to say that LA is our alma mater. Thank you, our beloved alma mater. Thank you for all the teachings that we've learned. Thank you, Libagon Academy. Thank you, our loved ones and parents. We will be forever your students. Now we can stand alone. Now we can face the world in our own. In every struggles that we fought, our armor is the teachings that you taught. We are here now, back to where we belong. We are here now to join the celebration. We are here now to thank all our teachers, and we are proud to say that LA is our alma mater. Thank you, our beloved alma mater. Thank you for all the teachings that we've learned. Thank you, Libagon Academy. Thank you, our loved ones.